Good day everyone, I'm Danilo Jr. M. Divinagracia, a BPED student. So now I am going to share with you the common environmental problem in our barangay. So, are you ready? So, let's get started. The most common environmental problem in our barangay is the garbage disposal. As a resident, it is very important to segregate properly the garbages, since it would be dangerous to everyone's health. I would encourage my fellow residents to segregate properly the non-biodegradable and biodegradable so that the garbage collector will not have a hard time in picking up. In order to prohibit the reoccurrence of the garbage disposal problem, there must be a strict implementation of the garbage segregation, and will have a designated area for the garbage disposal. Every day, there will be a garbage inspection in each of the designated area, so that those who will not follow will be reprimanded and warned. So by this little micro effort will have a macro effect.